All right, we were in the market for a new vacuum. We absolutely love this thing. It's got a HEPA filter in it. It's also got a different adjustments for the floor, so it does really well on hardwood floor like this, or if you have carpet, it does really well. My wife uses it more than I do, so I'll let her wrap up the review. But if you're in the market for one, this is the perfect vacuum for us. I highly recommend it. Here's my wife.
Wonderful vacuum. We actually bought one for each floor of our house because it's inexpensive and it is definitely one that's easy to use. So just if you take a look, it's really easy to take off the cleaner box where you push here and release. If you want to, after you're done vacuuming, and then you push here, and then you can empty it out into your trash. Really simple. It just snaps right back in like that. Love all the attachments that you can use. If you turn it right here and you click here, it releases the tubing so that you can attach these two attachments just like this. I like this to get the edging of the carpet if you have ladybugs or anything like that that's gathering. You just pull here and reconnect. Another feature that I really like is the cord. It is, you pull, but then it locks right here so that it doesn't keep swooshing back. And all you do to put it back is to push this button right here, and it pulls it back in. There's on-off button right here. If you hit right down here, it releases it like that. Really great product. Like I said, easy to push around, not super heavy. I highly recommend it. Check it out.